So far, the loops that you have seen increment the counting by 1 at the end of each statement. But if you want to control how the code increments, then you can use the step option. So here's the syntax for that. So in a standard for next, you have for, your counter variable is being assigned start to end. Well, here you're saying start to end, and then you need the keyword there of step, and then you're going to set the incrementing value to whatever you want. Now, if the value is positive, obviously the counter is going to add to the value, and if it's negative, the counter is going to subtract from that value. So let me show you an example of how step works. So I'm here inside of my example for next loop, and I'm just going to change a couple of things. I'm going to make this from 1 to 30, and I am going to step by 4. So I'm going to add 4 every time my code loops. All right, let me show you how this works. I'll go ahead and hit F5 to run this. So I'm starting off with 1. I'll go ahead and click on OK. It added 4 now, so now my counter is at 5. 9, 13, see it keeps adding in 4. I'll click on OK a few more times. All right, remember my end here is 30. So now that I'm at 29, when I click on OK this time, it exits the loop. Remember, 29 is not the focus here. It was 29 and then it went to next X. So it added 4 more. So when it looped again, my counter or my X there was 33. Well, that was too much. So then it exited the loop. So if you just want your counter to go 1 by 1 by 1 by 1, that's fine. You wouldn't change anything with the for next loop. But if you wanted to increment by 2, 4, 27, -3, whatever it is, you need to add in step and then that value.